Hi everybody, my name is Rob Dykema. We're here at SoundOff Signal, a leading manufacturer of LED warning lights based here in Hudsonville, Michigan in the USA, where our primary focus is to protect those who serve. Really excited to show you a very popular product from SoundOff Signal, and that's the LED ghost light. The ghost light was the brainchild of SoundOff Signal about 4 years ago, and it's come a long way since then. And actually, it's been so popular in our industry that it's been copied and different versions and things from other manufacturers, but still, nothing compares to the original ghost light, and I'll tell you why. This is the original in my hand here. The EGH ST1, and the 1 signifies it's the original. And it's also known as the multi-mount. The reason for that is SoundOff Signal decided it'd be really cool to have a light that could mount on the back of your hood of your particular vehicle. Nobody had thought of that before. So we designed this light as kind of a mid-level, attaches to the back of the hood, you're not going to get any flashback, and it's just that perfect level of lighting, below the light bar but above the grill lights. That's how this ghost light started and came to be. Comes out of the box looking just like this, but obviously you can see in my hand it's very small, 4 inches and less than an inch tall. So 4 inches wide, less than an inch tall. And that was probably one of the biggest things that revolutionized the industry and made this light so popular. It's because it's extremely small yet very bright. So you got a versatile light that puts out a lot of punch. On the back of this particular light, let me turn it around. You've got 2 set screws attached to this permanent mount bracket. The reason these set screws are here is that once you mount this permanent mount bracket to your vehicle, whether it be on the back deck, up in the headliner, out on the push bumper, anywhere you want to put this light, you can take these 2 screws, loosen them up, and get a 20-degree angle of up and down out of this original ghost light. So it makes it even more versatile. As you can see the lensing to disperse the light. There's 6 Gen 3 LEDs in here. Extremely bright, and it's the latest technology. The backing here, as you can probably see, is all metal. And the reason that we want to use metal, just like a lot of the other lights that SoundOff manufactures, it pulls heat away from the LEDs. You can actually run the LEDs harder, make the light brighter, and not affect the LEDs. They're still going to have the longevity. 5-year warranty, of course, just like all LED lighting from SoundOff Signal. So this is the original ghost light. And like I said, it's been around for a while. Still very, very popular light. Because of its popularity, SoundOff decided to take advantage of the light head and come up with different mounting options. So I got 4 of those in front of me here, and I'm going to go through them. After the original came the surface mount. Surface mount obviously being just that. You can surface mount it to any flat surface. You can put it on the back deck of an SUV, you can mount it to a fender, or you can use it on a push bumper as well. That's this particular light here. Now, as you can see, it's going to be just over 4 inches with the mounting screws on the side, and it comes with this rubber gasket to mount to the vehicle. So this is the EGH ST2. Here's the 1, here's the 2. After the 2, we came up with a different mounting option. A little bit, just obviously more applications. And that's this one here, the EGH ST3. Now this one's referred to in the catalog and online as the Ghost Rock Light. You can see, same ghost light. It's mounted inside a very heavy duty bracket. I wish you could feel this, it's heavy duty, and it holds up against all different situations and conditions. Good for off-road use. Obviously you can mount this to your emergency vehicles. It's got adjustments in the angle here. You can see I can point it down, you can point it back up, and you've got a pedestal mount underneath. This is the Ghost Rock Light, the EGH ST3. The EGH ST4, I don't have an example of it here. What SoundOff decided to do was eliminate the U bracket for the hood mount and offer the EGH ST4, same light as the EGH ST1, except it doesn't have all the hardware that comes with it. It's just a permanent mount version of the original ghost light. And then I've got one more to tell you about, and that's the EGH ST5. And you can see that one here. You can take a little bit closer look at this one. This one came out just recently. Same light head, same extremely bright Gen 3 LEDs, 6 of them in here. But this one's a recess mount. A little bit more tricky to install, but very effective and very clean install once you're done. You're going to have to cut a hole in your fender or wherever you want to mount this particular light, and it actually recesses in that hole. So when you're finished, you've got a completely flat surface, and the only thing you'll see is the top of this light. So it recesses into your particular application. Another very popular spot for the EGH ST5 is cutting into the rear of an SUV. When you open the lift gate, you can cut these in and they'll be pointing straight back at the traffic when the lift gate is open. But you still have enough clearance, so when you want to close the lift gate, you don't interfere with the light. All the Ghost family, like I said, 6 LEDs, available in solid color or also split, half and half. You can get, any of these Ghost lights in a red and a blue or any color combination that you'd be interested in. 5-year warranty. All the Ghost lights are completely individually sealed and watertight, and they're manufactured here in Hudsonville, Michigan. Let's light one up and see how it looks. This particular one here, you can see red-blue, extremely bright head-on, and very effective even off angle. So for not a whole lot of money, you can get a lot of emergency warning. You see it flashing away nicely there. It's got 33 flash patterns built in. It's got an 18-inch wire for installation, and it's as simple as power ground and pattern select. Good light by SoundOff Signal, very popular. We hope you check it out. Thanks for watching.